Hey everybody, Justin here, or sub-fighter to the internet geeks like myself. Regarding my electronic bicycle, my e-bike, right here. I got it all connected yesterday, finally received all my stuff. And here I have a 48 volt, 20 amp battery. It's a V-power battery. Here's my BMS tucked in there. Here's my charger. It's a V-power charger. It's got Chinese writing on it. I can't get that to focus, but trust me, it's Chinese. I can't read Chinese. When I first plugged it into the wall, that red light was flickering, and it remained flashing. I just kind of shrugged my shoulders and went ahead and plugged it into there, and the green light was on. The fan turned on. I assume that's good. I came back out about 5 hours later, and that was off. I assume that means it's charged. I connected up right here, plugged these in, and I took it for a spin. And it worked. I went about 32 miles an hour for about 4 blocks, and then it shut off and would not turn back on until I disconnected this, reconnected it, got a big spark, which to my understanding is to be expected. I'd turn it back on, it finally turned back on, and I could go about 10 miles an hour, and then it would shut off. Disconnected it again, plugged it back in, spark. Turned it back on, get about 7 miles an hour, and I repeated this about 4 more times before I said, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, and I just wrote it home the hard way. I recently disconnected these, and I lost there's my multimeter. I tested it with my multimeter, and it read 48.8 volts. I don't know what to do from here. I don't know how to test if the multimeter actually works. I went ahead and disconnect these. Oh yeah, this stinking thing. The first time I grabbed this, it fell off in my hands. I reconnected it. I'm surprised it actually looks like it did a pretty good job. The wires in here are just, there we go. The wires in here are super duper thin. I mean, you bend these wires underneath this sheath, and it just falls apart. But I wrapped it around this little eye here, if you could see that. I wrapped it around there, and then I shrink wrapped it, heat shrink, whatever, and it's a little more sturdy. I attempted to plug my multimeter into this, and I don't know what I'm doing. Nothing blew up, no fires, so that's good, but it read 0 all the way through, no matter what combination I plugged the probes into. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where to go from here. If you guys could help me out, that'd be great. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.